Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It's Blossom and I'm excited because we're doing something very different. Yeah, we're making something different. Not skincare today. Let's delve into the video. Well, we're using two Brazilian wool for this, two colored Brazilian wool to be specific. And I added the black one, sorry, I used one and it's not here. Yes, we have straws also. Straws, yeah, straw for juice, your normal straw. So first of all, you just arrange the Brazilian wool to the length you want, to a desired length, and yeah, arrange everything neatly. And yeah, this is the length I chose. This is the length I want to use. Then you brush it. This part isn't easy, to be sincere. You might want to do it in bits and not just everything else. You get very tired, your hands will hurt, so you brush it very neatly until every part gets very smooth. You brush it like you're brushing normal attachment, right? Yeah, brush and make sure you brush from the ends. Yeah, you see it's smoother now and easier to brush, easier to comb also. You might want to use your comb. So this is it. It's very light at this point. I almost said fluffy. It's very light at this point and smooth also. So arrange everything and then pick out the rough ones. You might want to cut them out. This is it. You then take your straw. I added broom to make it stronger so it doesn't bend. Well, I learned this from a very good friend of mine, so yeah, I'm doing that. Then you twist it. Now you twist it on your straw. You twist it so you can get curls out of it. You twist. Not another easy part too, but just take your time and twist it. Make sure you twist it and take it round the straw. Yeah, so I added this black. It's actually an old one, so it's still very neat. And then instead of throwing it away, I added it just to spice it up. So this is it. It's also hard to brush, so you take it in bits. And then yeah, this is our twisting or rather coiling aspect. And this part we do it easily, and at this edge, yeah, twist it like everything to the straw and take it down just to tack it. So this is the other part. Yeah, twist everything in, twist it, then roll, twist it and then roll. You get twist and roll on the straw. If you have a flexible roller, it will also do. So this is the next part. You add your leave-in conditioner to hot water, very hot water. Add it and mix everything up. It won't really dilute, but then it's not bad. So you put in your already curled wool in, you put it in and leave for say 60 seconds. So long as your water is hot, you put it and then make sure every part is in the water, not leaving any part out of the water. Yeah, it's soaked actually. Yeah, we change sides. Ouch. So yeah, I change sides. Make sure every part gets into the water so you don't miss any coil. Well, leave for say a minute, and yeah, this is what we have after unraveling. This is it. It looks very nice. Like I just want to put it on my head right now. Well, you cut down the last part. Do I call the last part? The edge rather, so to say. You cut it off so it will be easier for you to unravel your twists. You just cut them off, not everything, like not all rather, just cut the tips. Exactly, that's the word. You cut the tips so it's easy and it won't tangle so much while you're trying to unravel everything. So yeah, this is it. So let's unravel now. You unravel, and this is our wig cap on the dummy. This is where work begins, right? This is it. Fix your wig cap on the dummy, and then you begin to fix your wool to the wig cap to make your wig. So yeah, pick maybe 3 holes or 4 holes, and then yes, you just put it and draw. Make sure it's tight, draw it out and tie it in. Exactly, that's easy. So you do this and make sure you tie it tight so it doesn't fall off. You do this, pick 3 to 4 holes, and yeah, this is what we're going to get when we've gotten to these other parts. Interesting. It's really interesting to make. So you see, I added the black just for a little twist. You could decide to make all maroon or nude or brown or red, but I just added black for a little twist to spice everything up. So this is it. Pick 3 holes, put it in and tie it. Yeah, take 3 holes, 3 to 4 holes, and then we put it in. Okay, yes, yeah, put it in, draw it out, and you tie it up quite tight so it doesn't fall off or breeze doesn't embarrass you. So this is the front. Yeah, if you have a smaller crochet pin, it will be better so you don't just cut every hole out, because it's smaller. The holes in the front are actually smaller. Yeah, so we done. Let's get dressed. Forget my rough hair though. My whole back is already rough. So let's see. Yeah, just tuck it behind. Why is it taking time? I can't wait to see what I look like. Okay. Good. So this is it. Oh my, I know you like what you're seeing. So let's go to the 3 main aspects, because you won't want to go out like this. So you trim all the extra long edges, and then for the front, so the fringe is very cool and not too long and looking like something that is misplaced. So yeah, you trim it. Take it easy on the trimming aspect so you don't overcut. Wow, okay, I think this length is quite okay. Yeah, just a little more, arranging, and I'm sure you like what you're seeing, because I'm really in love with this. So more trimming. I think I actually cut very long, like the cutting part was too long. I'll be more careful next time, because this is a whole waste. Showing all of this, no. Well, this is it. You just trim and trim every part, the back, the side, so you have a jumpy or a bouncy curly wig. Yeah, trim all the edges so they are equal. Careful while trimming too, so you don't over trim, because you can't gum it or glue it back. Yeah, trim everything. So you see how the black makes it look so spiced up, right? This is the idea. Oh, I'm liking my hair. Hey, hey, hey. Who likes my hair more than me? You're not ready. Oh, who is this? Damn. So we just two Brazilian wool, or rather, two Brazilian wool, and my old black Brazilian wool. This is it. Oh my. Damn. This is really nice, and I know you're tripping too, so you can try this out and let me know what it looks like in the comment section. I like it. It's very light, it's not heavy on the head, it feels very bouncy and light. It feels very lovely. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, follow, and I'll see you later. Bye.